make your spin mop white again. First add hot water. Then submerge your mop in water. Add any detergent. Pour some bleach and let sit overnight. Next morning good as new.
Let's do a quick home hack. Get this for $8 at Walmart. And there you have it. Easy peasy.
Out to play ball so we could ruin them. Mama said that it was okay. Mama said that it was quite alright. Our kind of people had a bed for the night.
Let's take the egg and then crack it like this and put in the water and boil it. So once the egg is ready, just put in a container. Get cold water, fill it, close it, and shake it. Like 10 seconds. And then,
wow.
For those of you that are new here, this is probably my all-time favorite kitchen cleaning hack. I pour quite a bit of baking soda into my garbage disposal, about 2 cups, and I let it sit for 30 minutes. Then I pour white distilled vinegar down the drain a few times until it stops bubbling. Then I just pour it down with a pot of boiling water. I swear by this hack, your garbage disposal will never smell like old food. Do this about once a week and you'll thank me later.
Zile, 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 eu alerg Iar mile, 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 mile Pe Maidan pentru tine, tine Să-ți dau un dar, dar cel mai de preț Dar fără niciun ban. Gorgeous!
Linda, tell me something I don't know. Yeah, sucia, cabrona. Tell me something I don't know. A little off the top, a little on the side. A little bit of news you heard around the barrio. Tell me something I don't know.
Bueno, you didn't hear this from me But some little birdie told
Use lemon and kosher salt to clean your grill. Repeat as needed until the grill is clean.